does it mean to love one's country? Is it grand gestures or quiet acts of service? Today, we explore patriotism and nationalism in action, showcasing the spirit of being Filipino. The Philippine flag represents our history, our struggles, and our aspirations.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to witness one of the most cherished treasures of Filipino heritage, a dance that embodies grace, romance, and the timeless charm of our culture. Please put your hands together for the enchanting Cariñosa.
Through dance, we honor our roots, our resilience, and the vibrant spirit of the Philippines. Patriotism isn't just waving a flag, it's repairing the cracks in your nation's foundation with your own hands. It's about bayanihan, working together for the common good.
Why is it important for you to participate in community service? Taking good care of our land, air, and water is another aspect of loving our nation. Each time we plant a tree, maintain a clean environment, or participate in a sustainability initiative for future generations, we contribute to preserving the Philippines' natural beauty.
Nationalism is supporting our own. By buying local, we strengthen our economy and celebrate Filipino craftsmanship.
To us, patriotism isn't just about grand gestures. It's in the small, everyday choices. It's honoring the sacrifices of our heroes by valuing our freedoms, protecting our democracy, and standing up for what's right. Nationalism means embracing our shared identity. It celebrates our bayanihan spirit, working together to apply communities, supporting and local livelihood, and preserving our rich culture and future generations. But it's also about critical love. True patriotism means holding our leaders accountable, advocating for justice, and ensuring no Filipino is left behind.
At its core, being Filipino is about resilience and hope. Whether we're at home or abroad, we carry our nations in our hearts, striving to make it kinder, fairer, and brighter for all of us.
Ang pagmamahal sa bayan ay pagmamahal sa kapwa. Isang Pilipinas, isang puso.
Mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipinas!